Starting with the intros, Axie Infinity is an emerging player in the crypto world. With very little time in the market, this game has shown some very promising models. It's known that investors are curious about the future of Axie Infinity. What's the next Axie? What can one expect from one's investment in Axie? These are some of the questions swirling around every crypto investor's head. Well, if you're such an active investor, then this video will be the perfect place for you. So sit back and stay with us until the end as we share the future of Axie Infinity with you and let you know if it's a profitable investment. Hello and welcome to Daily Crypto Facts. Also, we're giving away $25 by the end of next month to our one random subscriber to start them in their crypto journey. To enter, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment on your favorite crypto coin in the comment section down below. So without further ado, let's dive into the topic. Cryptocurrencies have gradually spread in the mainstream consciousness and have gained traction. However, many of them have not withstood the test of time and will continue to do so as long as it's mass adopted. When a revolutionary property steps in, maybe focus on what the masses crave, fun. Through entertainment, one can focus on creating more wealth, which became apparent when the Axie Infinity protocol was invented. The in-game token means that the Axie Infinity Shard token has been specially created with a view to offer an eclectic mix of crypto and gaming interests. All the benefits of playing are built on top of blockchain algorithms where anyone can earn tokens thanks to their game acumen, creating more fun ways to earn. On the other hand, Shiba Inu Coin or SHIB is still one of the most searched and viewed cryptocurrencies according to CoinMarketCap. The Doge killer Shiba Inu is the new trending cryptocurrency in the market currently. With the Shiba Inu dog as its logo, this meme cryptocurrency is following the path of Dogecoin, aiming to be the best alternative for the same. Being the latest to hit the market, SHIB is garnering immense attention and is emerging as a favorite choice of investors, particularly in the wake of a market drop in cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. SHIB is a decentralized community-building experiment developed within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Also known as the Shiba token, it's a decentralized cryptocurrency modeled after Dogecoin with a market capitalization of almost $3,894,958,584 as of writing. Just like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu was not designed with a purported goal, but as a parody coin created for fun, money, and making people aware of the blockchain technology. Labeling itself as the Doge killer, the meme coin has seen a price surge of nearly 900% over the past 2 weeks. SHIBASWAP, its decentralized exchange, has listed and incentivized SHIB as its first cryptocurrency token. It is powered by the Ethereum blockchain, making it an ERC20 token. Soon after hitting its record high, the Shiba token overtook both Dogecoin and SafeMoon to become the most viewed cryptocurrency in CoinMarketCap. Its recently released white paper is humorously titled the Woof Paper and outlines that the token looked much like Dr. Strangelove's Doomsday Machine. Despite its casual themes, the meme Shiba coin has garnered considerable community support from investors and traders who acknowledge it as a millionaire maker investment. Further, the creators of SHIB have major goals with the project and are currently working on making an NFT network based on the Shiba Inu network. Let's talk about some price predictions for both currencies. Axie Infinity has built a fast, reliable network and is working on the user experience of the product. These features could help the AXS coin rise to $96.80. If the momentum for functional crypto continues through 2023, the AXS price could skyrocket in terms of the pattern and users could reap substantial profits. There are quite a few Axie Infinity predictions for the token. There are assumptions that the price of AXS could reach $125, $145, especially after the company's design technology and advancement announcement. The advantage is especially taken by its security and scalability features. Attractive promotional projects can do the rest and keep investors profitable. AXS is active in community initiatives. Given that they continue the momentum to achieve significant market value, startups focused on education, outreach, and innovation could get them to $140. In the long-term scenario for Axie Infinity's forecast, for example, around 2026, the AXS token price is set to accelerate the pace of other cryptocurrencies to reach a net price point of $160. Incredible optimism is expected for AXS, mainly due to its stable performance over the years. Axie Infinity will be stable to deliver stellar returns to its investors. Based on the data, it can be predicted that it's possible to invest in Axie Infinity in the long term. Long term, we can call it Axie Infinity price prediction for 5 years or more. The price of SHIB rose from $0.000000279 to $0.0001897, with trading volumes rising from $367.4 million to $6.1 billion. And according to CoinMarketCap, it immediately raised the market cap from almost $0 to $6.2 billion. SHIB traded at an all-time high of $0.0000388 on May 10th, but fell back to a low of $0.0000642 on May 19th in the days after Buterin sold its shares. The price rose to $0.0001195 on May 24th, but dropped to $0.0000732 5 days later. At the end of May, it climbed higher to $0.0000928. The price of the coin on June 2nd reached $0.0000879 US. Some analysts predict that the SHIB could reach $1, while others remain skeptical about the future outlook. Market Realist has come up with a plan for how coins can reach the dollar value, which is the primary goal of investors. Shiba will need to raise about 1.20,000% to hit a penny. Since January, the coin has grown by about 2 million a month, so in theory, it could easily hit 1 cent by the end of 2021, only if it stays on its current growth trajectory. Apart from that, it's expected that the self-claimed Doge killer Shiba Inu can reach $0.000085 toward the finish of June 2021. If it continues to rise, we can say that the cost will be $0.0003 in January 2022. By the calculations, there is a very low probability that it'll reach $1 by 2025. Let's now see some latest updates in both currencies. With our eyes fixed on the last few days, we cannot help but acknowledge that this is the beginning of a winning streak for the cryptocurrency SHIB, a new stage of recovery from the highs. As soon as we see the price of these moments of $0.0000716, we see increases that had their beginning last week, from which time the cryptocurrency has been rising in value. With a percentage of 2.84% on a one-day scale, Shiba Inu's trajectory is already rather bullish. We cannot forget about values such as market capitalization or market volume, both from the last 24 hours of Shiba Inu, and it's about $2,854,885,820 and $680,615,527 respectively. On the other hand, the trajectory of the Axie Infinity cryptocurrency has just lost track of its trend from a few days ago, but in which direction is it heading? Focusing on Axie Infinity, we see prices like the current one, about $69.12. The gains are appreciated if we look at levels of 7 days ago, with prices that today are seen in a decrease of 6.10%. Since then, Axie Infinity has been heading towards lower levels with its drops of 2.44% in the last 24 hours. Its market capitalization is $4,249,429,108, while its current market volume does not exceed $437,998,075. Before ending this, please note that the cryptocurrency prices change frequently, so by the time you watch this video, it may have changed to a completely new value. The information provided in this video is not investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other type of advice, and you should not consider any such content. The content in this video is for educational purpose only and should not be considered financial advice. Do your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Well, that was today's video, guys. Thanks a ton for watching it. Let us know how you liked it in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned as we bring more intriguing content to your screens. Till then, stay healthy, stay hungry. Peace. Hungry.